Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're gonna be seeing if we can get this 1977 Honda CVCC up and running. A few of you guys wanted to see me do the Weber 3236 conversion. So we're gonna be doing that and see if we can get this thing fired up. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So Redline makes a adapter plate. It's just a little kit. I got it on eBay. I'll put the link in the bio so you guys can just click on that if you're wanting to buy that. And then this is just a Weber 3236. This is a manual choke. The electric choke I've had before. It works fine also. These go for about 300 bucks on eBay. You want to make sure that you get a real one and not some fake Chinese one. This one I just bought off Facebook Marketplace. I just rebuilt it myself, and that's the cheap way. I think I got it for like 70 bucks. So I think we're gonna get that slapped on. I'm gonna show you guys kind of the order of how to put that adapter plate on. We'll get that bolted on. We're gonna have to make a couple different brackets to hold like the throttle cable and stuff like that, but I will show you guys how I do all that, and we'll see if we can get this thing running. So this is the order and how this kit goes on. You're gonna start with this gasket and then just move down the line. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you got them in this order and you should be good to go. I'm gonna start getting it put on and just use some of this gray gasket maker just along these surfaces. Make sure that we got a good seal. Okay, I just got this heat shield off. Make sure you have this base gasket and then the heat shield goes down, but we got to remove these studs. So get those out of your way, and then we can start getting that plate put back on. Okay guys, so we got the studs out. That's step one. You want to make sure you have this gasket down. And then you're gonna stick your little heat shield, if you have one, back into place. Just like that. And then the first one you're gonna take is this one. It's gonna go just like that. You can see this third hole right here. This is what makes the CVCC like the CVCC. It's like a third little fuel thing, and it's what made this car so great back in the day. But we're basically just gonna take some of this gasket maker, just put a thin coating all along the bottom. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it because it's just a little bit of a safety guarantee that you're not going to be leaking. You don't want to have a vacuum leak. Okay, now we're going to take our plate, set that right on. Then you got these four ones. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on all of these just to make sure that they don't come back out. Next gasket is going to be this one. Just lay it right on there like that. Then you're going to get this plate, and I already Loctited these studs in. And so that's just going to go down just Gone the wrong way. Okay, and the final gasket is going on. There we go. Now we can get our carburetor. Forgot, you can put this thing on. It goes right there on the side. I'm just gonna end up capping this off probably. So there we go, guys. Pretty easy install. It's a nice little kit that they make just to simplify these engines. So I'm gonna get this bolted on, and then we will go into how to make a throttle bracket and see if this thing fires up. Okay, and then for the throttle bracket, this is basically like what you're gonna want to do, and you could just kind of like put it right there and then bolt that down, and then you just run your cable through this and then attach it. You can see how, since this is a I just bought this carb off of Facebook Marketplace, someone has already like made this weird linkage and stuff, so I got to take that apart and figure out a way that I can adapt this type of thing. But you could easily make this out of just some metal, you know, drill a couple holes and then cut a hole right there too. But this I just found in some parts that I had, so I'm assuming you can buy these on eBay. I would just look up like a Weber throttle bracket assembly or something like that. But yeah, same with the choke. Like I said, I've had good luck with the electric chokes. This is a manual one, and I think I have a manual, where is it? I got a manual choke already set up on this thing. I don't know where it's at. But anyways, I'm just gonna run that through that little hole right there, pinch that off, and then that should work good. But yeah guys, this is gonna do it for this video. I hope this helps someone who wants to do the Weber conversion on the CVCC. It's a pretty popular swap just because these carbs are kind of difficult to get running right. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, and just leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will do my best to answer all of those. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.